How to recover Facebook account suspended for 180 days, or how you can fix with disable your account on Facebook. Now, provided with 180 days is actually the remaining days for you to be able to still submit an appeal for you to recover your Facebook account. What that basically means is you really need to provide any actions according to the message that you receive so that you can still retrieve your account. To do so, just open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your mobile device and simply type in Facebook support. Choose on the very first link that will redirect you into Facebook Help Center. Now here, just type in disabled account like so. Choose on the very first result that your personal account is disabled or suspended. Scroll down from here, and was this helpful? Just choose on no and then choose on other, select. Now this is the easiest way or the most convenient way for you to reach out customer support that you would like to request for an appeal regarding the 180 days your account being suspended. And that's it. That's how you recover your Facebook account suspended for 180 days.